already hates it. Christian.
Christian.
Open your eye, buddy. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hi, Munchkin.
You like
You like him? Hi, baby girl. You like him? Yeah. You like him?
I think she likes him.
What you think? What you think?
Katie.
I think he likes him.
Taylor, does Brooks like his glasses?
You laughing? Yeah. Can you see that girl? Yeah. Yeah, you like him?
Let's see everything.
Aww.
Let's see everything.
You can see everything?
Let's see you and you.
You can see us?
And it's a dog. It's a dog. It's a dog.
It looks a lot different, don't it?
You look so adorable.
See? What do you think? Hi.
They need to be adjusted a little bit.
A little bit. We can adjust them.
Hi, Marlo.
Can you see this? Hi.
I'm gonna cry.
Aw. What's up? You see mommy? You're too cute. What you think? You're doing good. You're not yanking at them. I'm gonna keep you. Can't even handle it.